Let me show you something very cool from my office. This is one of my wealth triggers, something that I would draw inspiration from. I'll read this out loud to you. This actually should belong to a Disney museum. This is the minutes of a special meeting of the Board of Directors of Walt Disney Incorporated. A special meeting of the Board of Directors of Walt Disney Incorporated was held at the principal office 1953, March 17th. The president then announced that the corporation should open 2 bank accounts, one in the name of Walt Disney Incorporated and the other in the name of Zorro Productions. This is where the time that the entire Walt Disney empire was built. It all originated from this particular meeting and signed by Walt Disney himself. And here, I love this little quote here. It all started with a mouse. See the power of creativity, and don't underestimate what you could do with a pen, an idea, a concept. And look where we are today. How much do copywriters really earn? How much money do copywriters actually make? Now, very much that depends on how much effort that you put into it and who do you write for and what kind of niche that do you focus on. You see, there are basically 3 types of copywriters. You have the copywriters who are writing copy for their own businesses, for their own products and services. They're selling their own things. That's one type of copywriter. The second type of copywriter is they are writing for agencies, meaning like say advertising agencies, digital agencies. They have clients already in place and the copywriters basically kind of hiding behind the scenes, being the silent rainmaker and helping them, writing for their clients. And then the third type is you're actually a freelance copywriter and you're writing for businesses and companies, entrepreneurs. So those 3 types of copywriters. You see, copywriting continues to be one of the highest paid and in-demand professions in the world that very few people know about because we don't think about it. Every single email that you get, it is promoting something. Every ad that you see on social media, every landing page, every description when you go to an e-commerce website that encourages and compel you to buy something, private message, LinkedIn, description, all these things that's out there, they are written by copywriters. So you think about it, copy is literally everywhere. And companies continue, because of the social media, they need copywriters to help them to craft compelling copy, sales copy that motivates people to take an action. Sometimes maybe not to make a purchase. Sometimes it's to put up their hand and say a download something or get a free demo, a free walkthrough, a meeting or a phone call. I could go on and on and on and on. So this is why this is such a powerful opportunity. As now, so much more information out there, there are way more platforms. Copywriters will always be in demand. Now the next question is, and how much could I make as a copywriter? That depends. There are copywriters who are making a full-time income just doing part-time work. They're working a couple hours a day and they're writing copy. There are copywriters who are making 5 figures. There are copywriters making 6 figures. There are copywriters making multiple 6 figures. I even know some copywriters making 7-figure income writing copy. That's correct. You heard me right. 7-figure income writing copy. Why? Because they understand that they are not in the writing business. One of the things I teach is they are in the revenue generating business. The reasons why companies are willing to pay what seems to most people an obscene amount of money for copywriters, because the copy that they produce and create brings in revenue, brings in leads, brings in customers for those companies. So if they spend 50 cents, $1, and they're getting $10, $20 back. Of course, it's a no-brainer now, isn't it? This is why copywriters, we are the silent rate makers. People don't understand the power, what we do, the power with our written words. So where can you learn how to do copywriting? I get these questions a lot. Now, you don't need to go back to school and spend 4 years. You don't need any formal education to learn copywriting, but you do need someone to show you the ropes, kind of show you how it's done. There are a system, there's step-by-steps on how to do this. And that's why we've created the High Income Copywriter Certification Program. If you follow me on social media, you know that my first high income skill was copywriting. That was the skill that transformed my life and my family's life. With High Income Copywriter Certification Program, you'll go on a 7-week journey with me, where I'm gonna personally mentor you and take you from what is copywriting to becoming a high in demand and high income copywriter. If this is something that you've been thinking about, that you wanting to become a copywriter, you want to learn this skill, or you've been searching for this for a long time, or you've been waiting for me to teach this particular program, to transfer this skill to you, this is your time. Click on the link here or somewhere here and check out our free preview webinar. We only teach this program a few times a year, and the new season is starting very soon. So click on that and check it out and see for yourself.